Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this NEEWER ST72 retractable base stand. So here's everything that comes in the box. We've got 3 casters. We're going to have to attach them to this base, and then here's what sticks up. It's got like a lighting mount there. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to lift these up so that this comes down. That's in the stored position. Now we're going to flip it over, and these are threaded inserts that we're going to screw the legs into. Now if you need to, you can get a wrench in there and tighten that down. Okay, once all 3 wheels are installed, each one has a lock that you can lock it. And those are really nice. They got ball bearings up there, ball bearings on the wheels, and they glide really easy. Okay, we're gonna take this screw out a little bit so that we can put the extension on. So it's going to fit right down in there, like, make sure that, and then close that, tighten that. So now we got this pole that we can extend, and we can take this out. Let's unscrew this because it comes out. We're going to put it on top because I'm going to put a light on this and so that I can roll it around. So that comes out. You've got 1/4-20 on one side and bigger threads on the other. You can put it in either way. Again, either this way or that way. Let's put it in this way, and I like having the cap on there. Measurements real quick. So right about 21 inches right there with it down. Now with that center section extended all the way, you're looking at right around 30 inches. And the base, you know, you're looking at around 16 inches, but it does fold up really nice, but I like how sturdy it is. It is nice and sturdy. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.